Racing just is started with Russell. Russell break quick, let us start. Promise is on the outside. Prima Donna comes next. Prince Lau getting the white strip as they make the first turn. Miko Nanga, while Babes Magic is the early trailer by about 10 lengths of the leader, racing down the backstretch with Russell. Russell by a length, moving up on the outside is Promise, and in third comes Prima Donna. Next on line is Miko Nanga. Babes Magic comes next, while Prince Lau now racing in last back to the leader. We Promise now takes command. Then on the inside is Russell, and in third comes Prima Donna. Miko Nanga now trying to get closer in fourth, and in fifth comes Babes Magic, while Prince Lau still racing in last. And Diana went entering the home stretch. Promise running by the rail. Russell, Prima Donna moving upon the outside. Miko Nanga down on the inside. Babes Magic with about 100 meters of the race. We have Miko Nanga now moving upon the outside, and now says it's my turn to take the lead. And finally, Miko Nanga, the second. Russell, Promise, Babes Magic.
Your unofficial winner for this race number 5, entry number 3, that's Miko Nanga. Masa segundo numero 1 ay nabanderang si Russell, matatercero numero 4, Promise, at para sa inyong quartet, numero 2,